Welcome to Pejaroiya. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey to the breathtaking Lofoten Islands, often hailed as the most beautiful place in Norway. Prepare to be captivated by stunning landscapes, dramatic mountains, and crystal-clear waters. We'll explore charming fishing villages, vibrant local culture, and the mesmerizing northern lights. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a nature lover, this tour promises to ignite your wanderlust. Join us as we uncover the magic of Lofoten. The world is a canvas, painted with breathtaking landscapes that stir the soul. Towering granite peaks rise majestically, their rugged faces kissed by the sun, while pristine fjords carve deep into the earth, reflecting the sky's ever-changing hues. White sandy beaches stretch endlessly, inviting footprints to dance along the shoreline. Each scene whispers stories of ancient forces, where nature reigns supreme, reminding us that beauty lies in the harmony of mountains, water, and earth waiting to be discovered. Nestled among dramatic fjords and towering peaks, charming fishing villages like Reine, Henningsvær, and Nusfjord invite visitors to experience a world where time seems to stand still. Colorful wooden cabins dot the waterfront, their reflections shimmering in the crystal-clear waters. The air is filled with the scent of salt and the sounds of seagulls, while fishermen haul in their daily catch, preserving age-old traditions. Each village tells a story of resilience, community, and the enduring beauty of coastal life. Hiking offers a gateway to nature's beauty, from serene coastal walks where the ocean whispers secrets to the windswept cliffs, to the exhilarating challenge of mountain hikes like Reinebringen. Each trail tells a story, whether it's the gentle rustle of leaves on a forest path or the breathtaking vistas at a summit, rewarding every effort. The thrill of discovering hidden waterfalls, vibrant wildflowers, and breathtaking panoramas makes every step an adventure, igniting a passion for the great outdoors. Imagine a world where the sun never sets, casting a golden glow over endless landscapes during summer's midnight sun. Days stretch into ethereal nights, inviting adventure and exploration under a sky that seems to hold time still. Then, as winter descends, the scene transforms. The Aurora Borealis dances across the heavens, painting the night with vibrant hues of green, purple, and blue. This enchanting spectacle captivates the soul, weaving a tapestry of wonder that defines the northern experience. Gliding through the crystal-clear waters, each stroke of the paddle reveals a hidden world beneath the surface, where vibrant marine life dances among the coral. The dramatic coastline rises majestically, its rugged cliffs adorned with lush greenery, creating a breathtaking backdrop. As the sun glistens on the waves, the thrill of exploration ignites an adventurous spirit. Kayaking allows you to navigate secluded coves and secret beaches, transforming each moment into an unforgettable experience amidst nature's splendor. In the heart of Lofoten, cod fishing isn't just a pastime. It's a cherished tradition that pulses through the region's veins. As you cast your line into the icy waters, the thrill of the catch resonates with centuries of fishing lore. Once reeled in, the cod transforms into culinary delights, from savory stockfish to delicate fillets. Each bite of Arctic seafood tells a story of resilience and community, celebrating Lofoten's rich fishing heritage while tantalizing your taste buds. Visiting the Lofotr Viking Museum immerses you in the rich tapestry of Viking history and culture. Here, the reconstructed longhouse stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the Norse people, showcasing their craftsmanship and communal spirit. Engage with interactive exhibits that bring ancient traditions to life, from traditional feasts to storytelling sessions. As you wander the grounds, the breathtaking landscapes echo the tales of explorers and warriors, making it a profound journey into the Viking legacy. Sustainable tourism in the Arctic is essential for preserving its fragile ecosystems while empowering local communities. By choosing eco-friendly travel options, visitors can minimize their environmental impact, from carbon-neutral transportation to eco-lodges that prioritize conservation. Supporting local businesses not only enriches the traveler's experience, but also fosters economic resilience in indigenous populations. Engaging in responsible wildlife viewing and respecting natural habitats ensures that the breathtaking beauty of the Arctic remains intact for future generations to cherish and explore. To reach your destination, consider flying for convenience and speed, with major airlines offering competitive fares. For those seeking adventure, a scenic drive along the coastline reveals breathtaking views and charming towns, transforming the journey into an unforgettable experience. Alternatively, the Hurtigruten ferry provides a unique travel option, gliding through stunning fjords and offering a glimpse of Norway's rugged beauty. Each mode of transport has its allure, ensuring your trip begins long before you arrive. The Lofoten Islands are a realm where nature's artistry unfolds in every direction. Towering peaks, cloaked in mist, stand sentinel over tranquil waters that mirror the sky's hues. The charming fishing villages, with their striking red cabins, tell stories of a time-honored connection to the sea. Under the enchanting glow of the midnight sun, each hike unveils breathtaking vistas that stir the soul. In this pristine haven, every experience feels like a cherished treasure, forever etched in memory.